All right, good morning, everyone. Now, this is Miss Lee again, and this is Math Foundations. I just went over the place value chart here earlier. You saw this, how we have place values for each number that we have in math. And so now I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do the homework, and I'm going to show you where to find this. Okay, so first of all, I've already downloaded this from Schoology, but I'm going to go to Schoology and I'm going to show you where you find your homework. So this is your course page. I have the foundation week 1, week 2. This is what you have to do for this week. Okay, this is your week 2 assignments. There is the place value chart. There's worksheet 1.1, 1.2, and 1.3. You need to download all of those onto Notability. So to download, what you do is you just go ahead and you press on the chart here, and then you click on this arrow, and you just go to Notability and you say done. So this worksheet has been downloaded. I'm going to go and also download the 1.1 for you, okay? So 1.1, click on it, and then go to the arrow on the top, and then again click on Notability, and it's done. So now I have downloaded both worksheets onto Notability. So now when I go to Notability, I will be able to see it in here. Okay, so when this is all the worksheet I have downloaded. So just click done, and then you will see that now I have these in my Notability. So I'm gonna just quickly erase that. Oops, maybe I should not have. Oh, it's okay. So I've got my 1.1 worksheet, and I am going to go to it, but because we have the notes, you need to be able to see the notes. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the split view option on the iPad, so that I have the worksheet on one side, and I will have the notes on the other side. Okay, so to do that, you just go to the bottom of your iPad and you swipe up. Okay, if you swipe up, you will see the dock here, and these are the applications that are available right now. So I'm going to click on Schoology and hold it, and I'm just going to slide it over to the right side of my screen. And once I release it, then now I have what we call the split view. So I have on the left side the worksheet that we are going to do, and then on the right side I now have Schoology app, which is open. And what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go to the place value worksheet, so that I can have this worksheet to look at where are my numbers. Okay, so here I have my number 1. So here we are going to say, it says write the place value of each number underlined. Okay, so the number which is underlined for number 1 here is that 6. Okay, so remember, these are numbers to the right of the decimal, just like I have spoken earlier. So the 6. Okay, so where is the 6? What you can do is you can just start counting. Okay, so you can just count starting from the last number. Okay, so there's this one here. There is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the 6 is in the 4th place. Then you go to your chart and you count. You have the ones, the tens, the hundreds, the thousands. So this is 6,000 when you go to the notes and you start counting from the left side. Okay, so that's the answer to number 1. It's the 6 is in the thousands place. So you can write 6,000, or you can just write down thousands. All right, so same thing here. You go to number 3. Okay, so number 3, the number that you want is this number 4. Okay, so we're gonna count. Okay, so if I count, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 4 is in the 7th place. So when I go to my chart, I start with the ones. Okay, and I'm going to count all the way to 7. Okay, so I have the ones, the tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000s, millions. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 is in the millions. Okay, so I have 4 millions. That's the 7th place when I count my chart. All right, number 5, same thing. Okay, this is what I want, that once. Okay, this is hard to see, but it's the one which is underlined. So again, I'm just gonna count from the left. Okay, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I need the fifth number from the ones. Okay, so if I count my chart, I will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's the 10,000s. So I have 1 10 dash thousands, and you can type using the text option, or you can just write down also. Okay, all right, I hope this is easy for you, and I hope that you are able to do your homework now. Sounds good? All right, so I'm going to go now show you how to undo the split view now. Okay, so to get out of the split view, all you need to do is you hold on to the middle line, and you just hold on to the middle line, and you drag that all the way to the right, and now you have one single view. All right, so if you want to do it again, remember you swipe up and you hold too much, swipe up and then just put on Schoology, drag it to the right, and you have your split view. If you want to undo it, go to the middle, come on, and just swipe it, and you are done. All right, so this is the lesson for today. Watch this and then do your homework and submit it. Okay, thank you.